Hi, I'm Khalifa Afnan, and I am excited to share how the Good Games project is building communities through English. Launched in 2020, our project uses tabletop games to make learning English fun and engaging. We bring together people from all walks of life to play, learn, and connect. Each game session is an opportunity for participants to practice English in real-world scenario, discussing rules, making moves, and celebrating, all in English. Our games are more than just fun. They are a bridge to new friendships and deeper cultural understanding. We have seen incredible growth in English proficiency and social confidence among our players. We prioritize inclusivity, welcoming all ages and language levels. And with both local and online games, we are reaching a global community. With your support and the Simon Greenall Award, we can expand our project. More games, more languages, and even more community connections. Thank you for watching. Join us at the Good Games project and let's learn English together. Check us out online and to learn more and get involved. See you next time.